discover the incredible power of your thoughts. In this video, you'll learn how your thoughts shape your reality and how to use this truth to attract wealth and abundance. Based on the teachings of Louise Hay, we'll explore powerful techniques such as visualization, affirmations, and self-discipline. Get ready to transform your life and achieve your dreams. The power of your thoughts. Have you ever considered how much your thoughts influence your life? Louise Hay reminds us of a powerful truth. What you think comes back to you. This isn't just a nice saying. It's a transformative reality. Every thought you have, every belief you hold, shapes your reality in ways you might not even realize. Imagine your thoughts are seeds. Every time you think about something, you're planting a seed in the fertile soil of your mind. Over time, these seeds grow and turn into strong trees. If you plant seeds of positivity, gratitude, and abundance, you will harvest a life full of joy and prosperity. But if you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and scarcity, you will reap a life of limitations and frustrations. The wealth mindset. Do you want to become wealthy? Then start thinking like a wealthy person. Wealth isn't just about money. It's about a mindset of abundance. Rich people don't think in terms of scarcity. They think in terms of opportunities and possibilities. They believe there's enough for everyone, and that they deserve the best life has to offer. Start visualizing yourself living the life you desire. Picture yourself in a beautiful home, driving your dream car, traveling to amazing places. Feel the joy and gratitude these experiences bring. When you begin to think and feel as if you're already living that life, you start attracting those experiences to you. Action and gratitude. Positive thinking is just the first step. Action is what turns your thoughts into reality. Louise Hay teaches us that we must combine our positive thoughts with concrete actions. If you want to become wealthy, start taking steps that move you in that direction. Invest in yourself, learn new skills, seek out opportunities for growth. And above all, be grateful. Gratitude is a powerful force that amplifies everything you have. When you're grateful for what you already possess, you attract more of what you desire. Be thankful for the small things, the big achievements, and even the lessons life teaches you. Gratitude opens doors and creates a constant flow of abundance in your life. You deserve the best. Remember, you deserve the best that life has to offer. Don't settle for less than you deserve. You are capable of achieving great things, of living a full and abundant life. Believe in yourself, believe in the power of your thoughts, and start acting in alignment with that belief. What you think comes back to you. Use this powerful truth to transform your life. Think big, dream high, and take concrete steps to achieve your goals. Wealth, happiness, and abundance are within your reach. It all starts with a thought. The magic of visualization. Have you heard about visualization? It's a powerful technique that can turn your dreams into reality. Imagine yourself living the life you want with all the details. See yourself in successful situations, feeling the joy and satisfaction that these experiences bring. When you visualize, you're sending a clear message to the universe about what you truly want. And the universe responds, bringing opportunities and circumstances that help you achieve your goals. The power of affirmations. Affirmations are another powerful tool to shape your thoughts and, consequently, your reality. Repeat positive and inspiring phrases to yourself every day. Say things like, I am worthy of abundance. I attract wealth and prosperity. I am capable of achieving my dreams. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your mindset and begin to manifest in your life. The importance of self-discipline. Self-discipline is essential to turning your thoughts into concrete actions. Create daily habits that help you stay focused and motivated. Set clear goals and work consistently to achieve them. Self-discipline isn't just about willpower. It's about creating a structure that helps you maintain focus and perseverance, even when things get tough. The power of resilience. Life is full of challenges and obstacles. The key to success is resilience, the ability to bounce back and keep moving forward, even when things don't go as planned. Remember that every challenge is an opportunity to grow and learn. Stay strong and continue to believe in yourself, even when circumstances seem unfavorable. The energy of the people around you. The people around you have a significant impact on your life. Surround yourself with positive, inspiring people who believe in you. Avoid those who bring negativity and doubt. When you're surrounded by people who support and encourage you, it's much easier to maintain a positive mindset and achieve your goals. The art of patience. Patience is a virtue that is often underestimated. Great things take time to happen. Be patient with yourself and with the process. Celebrate every small victory and recognize that every step, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Patience helps you stay calm and focused on what truly matters. The wisdom of self-knowledge. Knowing yourself is fundamental for personal and professional growth. Reflect on your strengths, weaknesses, passions, and values. The more you know yourself, the more capable you'll be of making decisions that align with who you truly are and what you truly want. Self-knowledge is the foundation for an authentic and fulfilling life. The joy of generosity. Generosity is a powerful force that brings abundance into your life. When you give, whether it's time, money, or attention, you create a flow of positive energy that returns to you. Be generous with others and with yourself. Generosity not only enriches your life, but also the lives of those around you. The power of courage. Courage is essential for moving forward and achieving your dreams. Have the courage to take risks, step out of your comfort zone, and face your fears. Every act of courage strengthens you and prepares you for future challenges. Remember, courage isn't the absence of fear, but the ability to act despite fear. The magic of creativity. Creativity is a powerful tool for solving problems and finding new opportunities. Allow yourself to explore new ideas, experiment, and innovate. Creativity isn't just for artists. It's for anyone who wants to live a full and meaningful life. Use your creativity to find unique solutions and create a life you love. The importance of health. Physical and mental health are fundamental to success and happiness. Take care of your body and mind. Exercise regularly, maintain a healthy diet, and make time for rest and recovery. When you're healthy, you have more energy and clarity to pursue your goals and live a full life. The power of community. Community is a source of support and inspiration. Connect with people who share your values and goals. Join groups, clubs, or networks that help you grow and develop. Community not only offers support but also opportunities for collaboration and mutual growth. The joy of simplicity. Simplicity is a virtue that is often forgotten. In a world full of distractions and complexities, finding simplicity can be liberating. Simplify your life by eliminating what isn't essential and focusing on what truly matters. Simplicity brings clarity, peace, and a sense of freedom. The power of perseverance. Perseverance is the key to achieving great things. Stay strong and keep moving forward, even when things get tough. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Perseverance helps you overcome obstacles and achieve your goals, even when the path seems long and arduous. The magic of intuition. Intuition is a powerful tool that can guide you in your decisions and actions. Trust your instincts and listen to your inner voice. Often, your intuition knows what's best for you, even when your logical mind is in doubt. Use your intuition to make decisions that align with your values and goals. The importance of education. Education is a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. Keep learning and developing. Read books, attend courses, watch lectures and seminars. The more you learn, the more capable you'll be of making informed decisions and achieving your goals. The power of compassion. Compassion is a quality that enriches your life and the lives of those around you. Be compassionate with others and with yourself. Compassion not only brings peace and harmony, but also creates an environment of support and collaboration. When you're compassionate, you attract more love and kindness into your life. The joy of spontaneity. Spontaneity is a source of joy and freedom. Allow yourself to be spontaneous and enjoy the moment. Often, the best experiences come unexpectedly. Spontaneity brings a sense of lightness and fun, and can lead to new discoveries and opportunities. The power of humility. Humility is a quality that helps you grow and learn. Be humble enough to recognize your limitations and to learn from others. Humility not only makes you more open and receptive, but also creates an environment of collaboration and mutual support. The magic of nature. Nature is a source of inspiration and healing. Spend time outdoors, connecting with nature. Nature has the power to calm the mind, revitalize the body, and inspire the soul. Use nature as a source of energy and inspiration for your life. The importance of reflection. Reflection is a powerful practice that helps you better understand yourself and the world around you. Take time to reflect on your experiences, emotions, and thoughts. Reflection brings clarity and insights that can guide you in your decisions and actions. The power of adaptation. Adaptation is an essential quality in a constantly changing world. Be flexible and open to new ideas and circumstances. The ability to adapt helps you navigate life's challenges and seize new opportunities. The magic of life. Life is a precious gift. Enjoy every moment. Be grateful for everything you have, and make the most of every opportunity. Life is full of surprises and possibilities. When you live with joy, gratitude, and purpose, you create a life full of meaning and fulfillment.